Have you ever felt like the entire world was against you? Like every door you knocked on remained closed, and every dream you chased seemed to slip further away? Today, I want to share with you a story that will completely transform the way you see your challenges. This is the true story of a man who discovered that the greatest power we possess isn't in our circumstances, but in the way we choose to think about them. Meet James Mitchell, a factory worker from a small town in Ohio who lost everything in a single year. His job was eliminated due to automation, his savings vanished paying for his mother's medical bills, and his marriage fell apart under the weight of financial stress. At 42 years old, he found himself living in a tiny studio apartment, working odd jobs just to survive. Every morning, he would wake up to the same crushing anxiety, the same voice in his head telling him that his best years were behind him. But then something extraordinary happened that changed everything. One rainy Tuesday morning, James was waiting at a bus stop when an elderly man sat beside him. The stranger noticed James's defeated posture and simply said, "Son, you look like you're carrying the weight of the world. But let me tell you something I learned in my 78 years on this planet. Your thoughts are either building your future or destroying it. There's no neutral ground." Those words hit James like lightning. He realized that for months, he had been programming his mind for failure with every negative thought, every doubt, every moment of self-pity. That very day, James made a decision that seemed almost ridiculous given his circumstances. He decided to treat his thoughts like a garden. Just as a gardener pulls out weeds and plants seeds, he would deliberately remove negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones. When he caught himself thinking, "I'm too old to start over," he would immediately counter it with, "I have experience and wisdom that younger people don't possess." When fear whispered, "You're going to fail," he would respond with, "Every successful person has failed multiple times." The transformation didn't happen overnight, but it did happen. James started waking up an hour earlier each day to read books about personal development and listen to motivational content. He began writing down 3 things he was grateful for every single morning, even when all he could think of was having a roof over his head and food to eat. He surrounded himself with people who believed in growth and possibility, even if it meant limiting time with friends who only complained about life. Within 6 months, something remarkable occurred. James enrolled in online courses to learn digital marketing, a field that fascinated him. His positive mindset made him resilient when the learning got tough. He started freelancing on the side, taking on small projects that barely paid anything, but he treated each one like it was a $1 million contract. His enthusiasm and positive energy began attracting better clients. People wanted to work with someone who radiated optimism and believed in solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Fast forward 3 years, and James now runs his own successful digital marketing agency, employing 12 people and working with clients across the country. But here's what's even more beautiful. He didn't just change his bank account, he transformed his entire life. He rebuilt his relationship with his daughter, found love again, and became a mentor to others facing similar struggles. And he traces everything back to that moment at the bus stop when he realized that positive thinking wasn't about ignoring reality. It was about choosing to focus on possibilities instead of limitations. The truth is, your mind is the most powerful tool you'll ever possess. Every great achievement in human history started as a thought in someone's mind. Every invention, every breakthrough, every triumph began with someone choosing to believe that something better was possible. James's story proves that no matter where you are right now, no matter how dark things seem, you have the power to change your life by changing your thoughts. The question isn't whether positive thinking works. The question is, are you ready to put it to work in your life? Your transformation begins today, with a single thought, with a single choice to believe that your best days aren't behind you, they're still ahead, waiting for you to claim them.